Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage SAROME automatic petrol lighter featuring an enameled scene with, I believe, a couple of deer or maybe antelope, some sort of wildlife frolicking in unison. This lighter shows plenty of wear, scuffs, scrapes, dings, dents, finish loss, paint loss, especially to the back. And there are definitely some spots of loss. But even on the front, where the paint is mostly intact, there are still some scrapes, scratches, wear to that painted finish. But still a very attractive lighter, even though it does have a very primitively scratched initials there in the monogram spot. Not all that noticeable, really. Sparks really well. Lights pretty reliably. Says SAROME automatic super lighter. When I looked it up on Frank Dutton's VCL Toledo bin site, he mentions that the company was called SGW Manufacturing Company and changed its name in 1963. This is, it says SAROME, but then it also says SGW Manufacturing Company. So maybe that is the SGW Manufacturing Company. I'm not sure. I don't know. And it's kind of confusing the way he has it laid out there on his site. I'm not sure exactly which lighters he's talking about. He doesn't have this particular lighter on his site. It's mostly the boat and car lighters. A couple other SAROME models. But anyway, SAROME is a good Japanese brand. Most of the ones that I'd run into up to this point have been butane, which I don't really deal with. So I was glad to see this one in the auction when I bought it, and glad to get to work with it and get it up and running. See the little overfueled there. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That'll be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com. It is a very ergonomic, simple lighter to use, a lot like the Unison and other semi-automatics of its type or style. Pretty simple. This particular lighter has the fixed gear rather than a clutch spring. I've seen that in some other Adonis and other Ronson lighters. And I'm not sure. I've never really tried interchange. I've found some parts in some Ronson lighters that didn't appear to be original Ronson lighters, but I've never tried to interchange them like that myself. I've always had plenty of spares to do what I needed to do. But as I had said earlier, it does show plenty of wear, especially to the paint, scuffs, dings, scratches, plating loss, finish loss. But the front of the lighter has not taken the brunt of the damage. It is still a very attractive lighter, even with the crude monogram there. If you haven't been to the dependableflame.com eBay store lately, make sure you get over there and check that out. Every purchase that you make will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, including three penny start auctions each month where 100% of the proceeds of those auctions go to the charity. Free shipping, high bidder gets the lighter, charity gets all the money, and everybody is happy. Make sure that you follow us on eBay so that you get those notifications when those new listings come up. Also, make sure on the YouTube channel to click the bell. The videos, you're going to see most of them sooner or later anyway, whether the algorithm gets it to you or whether you find them yourself. But if you go ahead and click that bell, then you'll get a notification when they're published, and then you get it all that much sooner. I'm not sure that this is enamel. I think it is. I think normally that's a cheap enamel process when it comes off so easily like that. Probably 4 colors: gold, tan, brown, and black, and then just the one color on the back. I'm sure when it was brand new it was a very attractive lighter. I think a lot of people, because of the I don't know, maybe the artistic way that the deer are portrayed, might refer to this as a lady lighter, but I wouldn't necessarily say that. Pretty cool old lighter though. You know, not mint condition. It has plenty of character though, and will still get the job done when you need to light one up. Even better so when it's fueled properly and given a chance to settle. Until next time.